Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter number 11, profit and loss. So here is two exercise. That first exercise 11.1 multiple choice. First question, that A option is right, second C option is right, third C option is right, and then second question, that is a fill up. So that will be by subtraction you will be find the loss. So that loss is equal to second option. You can fill that only your that book, no need to write in that notebook. So that will be by subtraction, that your answer will come 210, and then for first, that second answer will come that 25, third answer will come that 95, and then fourth answer will come 25 again, right? And every answer is in rupees, so you will be write the rupees sign also. And then third question, that find the selling price SP. The short form of selling price is SP. So that first part is that CP is equal to, that is given rupees 955, and then profit, that is profit is equal to rupees, that is 155.9, 155.9. So SP is equal to CP plus profit. CP means cost price, it means we have purchased anything, and then SP means we have sell of anything, and then profit. So that 955 plus 155.90, so that will be decimal 90, 5510, 5510 1 11, 9110 1 11, that is 1110 rupees 90 paise. Second part is that CP. So see the third part, second part done by yourself, and fourth part also done by yourself. CP is equal to rupees 780, and then loss is equal to rupees, that is 19.75. If there will be loss, then SP will be CP minus loss. So that CP is 780 minus 19.75. So that 10 less 5 5, and 9 less 7 2 decimal, that 9 less 9 0, and then 7 less 1 6, and then 760 rupees 25 paise. This is the loss. Fourth question is that Mohan bought a table rupee this month. Bought means CP is equal to rupees, that is 485, and then he sold with profit 60 decimal cushion. So profit is equal to rupees 60.75. So we need to find the SP, selling price. So SP is equal to that CP plus profit. We have done profit, that CP is 485 plus 60.75. So that 0.75 will come same. 50586 14 carry 1, that is 545 rupees 75 paise. And then fifth question is that a shopkeeper sold chair, this one sold, it means SP, sold means SP is equal to rupees 550. And then loss is equal to that is 35 rupees. So that we need to find the cost price. CP is equal to SP plus loss. So SP is 550 plus 35. So that 5,538 585 rupees, that is a CP. Sixth question is a shopkeeper bought a cycle, rupee this one, bought means CP is equal to 1825. And then loss is equal to is sell, and loss is equal to rupees 125. So SP will be SP is equal to that CP minus loss. So that 1825 minus 125. So 5 less 5 0, 2 less 2 0, 8 less 1 7, that 1700. Next exercise. Next exercise you will be see here profit percent or loss percent. Here is included percent. So first that profit will be, first is a fill in the blanks, that will be profit is 60, here loss will be 60, here loss will be 160, profit will be here in fourth part 240. And then question number second, no need to do in that notebook. From second question you will be doing notebook. Find the profit or loss percent. That first part is CP is equal to that rupees 600 and SP is equal to that is 630. So CP is less, SP is more. So here will be profit is equal to SP minus CP. So that 630 minus 600, so that is a 30. Profit is 30 and we need to find the percent also. So profit percent is equal to, this is the sign of percent, so profit multiply 100 upon CP. This is the formula. So that 30 multiply 100 upon that is 600. 1 2 1 2. So 6 5 is 30. That is 5%. That profit is 5%. And then second part also see that CP is equal to, second part you can do, no problem. That third part see that CP is equal to 740, SP is equal to that is rupees 629. Now cost price is more than selling price, so here will be loss is equal to CP minus SP, so that 740 minus 629, so that 10 less 9 1, 3 less 2 1 1, that is loss. So we will find the loss percent is equal to loss multiply 100 upon CP. So that loss is 111 multiply 100 upon CP is that 740. By the cancel of that one, that 2 5 ja, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja, that is 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5 upon 37%. No need to do in decimal. That 11.2, that loss will be, that part is third, loss is 15% is coming here. Something is, see that CP 740, SP is 629. 629. So 10 less 9, that is 10 less 9, 1, and then this is the 3, 3 less 2, 1, 1. Okay, and then one more part is see from here. Which part is difficult? Fourth part. Fourth part values are greater than this one. CP is equal to, that is rupees 950. 950. SP is equal to that rupees 1026. 1026. 3 2 ja. That will be second, third part. Second, third part, 15% is coming here. So 37, that will be 3 ja. Just wait, 3 ja. So that will become 3 5 ja 15%. Okay, see here again. And then here will be profit. Profit. Because you know that SP is greater than CP. So that SP minus CP. So that 1026 minus 950. So that 6 less 0 6, 12 less 5 7, and then 9 less 9 0, that is rupees. So profit percent is equal to profit multiply 100 upon CP. So that profit is 76 multiply 100 upon 9950, that is 0, and then by 5. 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 5 9 ja 19, 4 ja 76. So that is 4 2 ja 8%. And then question number now third. David bought a carpet rupees 8000. So that CP is equal to rupees 8000. And then sold 8400, that is SP is equal to 8400. So that will be profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. So that 8400 minus 8000, that is 400. Now that profit percent is equal to, that is profit multiply 100 upon CP, that is CP 1 2 1 2, that is 1, 8 5 ja 40, that is 5%. And then next question, fourth. Mrs. Sharma bought a carpet rupees 3200. So this is a CP 3200 rupees, and then sold, that is SP is equal to rupees that 3104 rupees. So that see, got the loss is equal to CP minus SP. So that is 3200 and then minus 3104. So that 10 less 4 6, that is 9, 9, 1 less 1, that is a 96 rupees she got the loss. So loss percent is equal to loss multiply 100 upon CP. So that loss is 96 multiply 100 upon, that is 3200, 1212, 32 3 is a 96, 3% she got the loss. Fifth question, Parveen bought a watch rupees this one. So what means CP? That is rupees 2140 rupees, and then sold at the gain of 10%. So gain means profit. Gain percent is equal to 20%. Gain is 20%. So that gain is equal to gain percent multiply CP upon 100. So that 20 multiply 2140 upon 100, 111010. So 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. That is a gain, but we need to find the selling price. So SP we need to find. So SP is equal to CP plus gain or profit, and then 2140 plus 428, that 8 4 2 6 4 1 5, then 2568 rupees. 2000, that will be something is that 8 4 2 6. So 2 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, that you can check the calculation also. Calculation can be anywhere wrong. You can check in fifth question, that is a 6. And then fourth question, the 3%, that is a 20%. Just wait, I have written here by mistake that is a 20%, but here is a 10%. So you will be apply here 10, then your multiply will become also less, and then your answer will come. I will be correct also. Just after this question, a man bought 360 egg, 8 per dozen. 60 egg were broken and 30 eggs were rotten. Find the profit or loss percent if the sell the rest egg 50 per dozen, 50 rupees per dozen. So that will be CP of 60, CP of 12 360 egg per dozen. So CP of that egg. So we will write here only CP. CP is equal to that 360 multiply by 12. That will be 0, 12 6 ja 72, that carry 7, 12 3 ja 36, 7 43 rupees. That will be the CP 360 egg, that 12 per dozen. So no need to multiply of that one. That will be only 360 rupees. And then eggs is also 360. 60 and 30, 90 eggs are that means waste, that are rotten or that is broken. So now left egg left eggs is equal to 360 minus that is 90, so that 270 eggs are left. So SP is equal to that is 270 into 15 upon 12 that will be 12. So that we can cancel that by 6 2 ja 12, 6 4 ja 24, then 6 5 ja by 2, 7.5, and then by multiply that will be, here you can see multiply 75 45, 5 5 ja 25, 5 7 ja 35 36 37, 4 5 ja 20 28, and then 30, 5 7, then 3 3, so that 337 decimal 5. So that what we need to find, that find the profit or loss. So that is the loss will be there will be loss, that loss will be that CP minus SP. So that CP is 360 minus SP is 337 decimal 5. So 10 less 5 5, and then 9 less 7 that is 2, and then this is the 5 less 3 2, that is loss percent. Now loss percent is equal to loss multiply 100, sorry, CP is 360 upon 100, that by cancel 0, that will be 0. Now by 4 9 ja 36 or 4 25 ja, and then that will be 25 15 ja 225, that will be not cancelled properly. 4 9 ja 36, 4 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20, and then let 4 5 ja, and then no need to decimal come here, 5 9 ja, that will become, just wait, oh sorry, I have put the formula wrong. Here will be loss is 2 decimal 5 into 100 upon that will be 360. By the cancel of decimal that will be 0. Okay. By that 9 4 ja 36 and 9 2 ja 18, and then left is 4 9 5 ja 45, that is 25 upon 4%, or you can convert in that mixed fraction 4 6 ja 24, and then 1 upon 4, 6 whole 1 upon 4, that will be come answer. And here you can change, okay,